Well, hey, all, welcome. If you own a gas or charcoal grill, you know it's just a matter of time before you have to replace the grill grates. Well, this time I'm going with these stainless steel grill grates, and boy, are they heavy duty feeling. There's a lot of beef to this. I'm going to go ahead and measure them so that you can see exactly what size they are to determine if they're going to fit your grill, but I'm also going to do a stainless steel test. Come on, let's get started. All right, so first I'm going to measure one grate, left to right. Now top to bottom. And then both of them together. And as you can see, they fit nicely on my charbroil grill, even though they're not specifically made for it. Now let's check out the stainless steel quality. In case you didn't know, the higher the grade of stainless steel, the less magnetic it is. Now the manufacturer claims these are 304 stainless steel, which is about as good as it gets for grill grates. Now that means they should last a long time, and obviously they are not magnetic at all. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these stainless steel grates. Thanks for watching.